So we just played those pictures up for you. Jyotiraditya Scindia coming in, and that would give, in some sense, hope to all those Congress leaders. The old Rahul Gandhi brigade, which jumped over, have been waiting in the wings. Ki mera number kab aayega? Jyotiraditya Scindia, he helped bring Madhya Pradesh back to the BJP. Today being rewarded. Those are pictures now out on your screen. You can see Defence Minister Rajnath Singh there, Home Minister Amit Shah, who's had an important role in shaping this cabinet reshuffle, Prime Minister Modi there talking to his
and it took about 15 to 16 months, Rahul, for Jyotiraditya Scindia to get inducted into the government. I mean, it was in March of 2020 that the Madhya Pradesh government came down and Jyotiraditya switched sides. So it's, he's waited for 16 months for this opportunity. And I think, therefore, yes, you're right, a message goes out. There's talk of Jitin Prasad being accommodated in some form if there is.
But maybe in Uttar Pradesh. Why in the centre?
No, in Uttar Pradesh. If there's to be a ministerial reshuffle ahead of the elections, he may well be accommodated. So clearly that message also has gone out. And I think somewhere.
And Jyotir is actually quite happy in the BJP. If you speak to him, he says that he felt suffocated, that there was a sense of lethargy, that nothing was happening, at least the BJP in the way it is right now for him. It seems to be a more responsive political party.
And I think he is much more of a politician of Delhi than he's a politician going, crisscrossing Madhya Pradesh. He would like to believe otherwise and like to believe that, he is much more rooted in Madhya Pradesh. But the truth is that he is someone...
Will he get a Delhi ministry or a Bharat ki ministry?
No, that's right. As we keep talking, who's a technocrat? How do we define someone who's a technocrat in today's world? Is Rajiv Chandrasekhar a technocrat? Is Jyotiraditya a technocrat? Someone who's come from the investment banking sector? Look, I think Jyotiraditya Scindia, let's be clear, was made a minister 2009.
Yeah, before that he was
the second term of Mr. Modi got power among other portfolios.
He has held communications, he has held commerce, a state role in commerce
and power.
So
he's had some experience, and I think it sends out the message that these old dividing lines between the Congress and the BJP, that there is no. I think Mr. Modi wants to send out very clearly a message. There is no untouchability, because one of the criticisms of the Prime Minister in the past used to be that, he will not reach out to those who have criticized him in the past. Now, you can pick up...
No, but Sushil Modi is not in the cabinet.
Yes, look, Sushil Modi is an interesting case that you mentioned. I think because there is a feeling that he's been very close to Nitish Kumar. Beyond a point, there's also a sense that was he really a Modi loyalist when the battles were going on?
No, he never was. He was a Nitish Kumar loyalist. He in fact pitched for Nitish Kumar to be Prime Minister.
And also Advani.
So the Prime Minister remembers that, and yes. Why should he forget?
Yeah, so I think certain things are not forgotten, but the very fact that you're willing to accept Jyotiraditya Scindia, I think importantly, he brought a state with you. Let's be clear.
Okay, these are new pictures. Can I just try and listen to the Prime Minister if we have the audio there?
So I think Jyotiraditya, the Prime Minister is sort of setting the rules of the game for the new ministers, I guess, and making.
No, also giving them a pep talk.
This itself is fascinating. We haven't seen this happen in previous governments.
No, and also in previous cabinet. This is the change.
So look at who's in front. So you got Jyotiraditya Scindia in front. You have Narayan Rane. You have Sarbanda Sonowal in front.
So there'll be full cabinet ministers.
Those are the full cabinet ministers. The ones in the second row are the ones who are getting a leg up. So I see R.K. Singh over there. We see Hardeep Singh Puri over there.
And both.
And the interesting thing is that people are, and I just got it off my phone, that the packets next to these ministers or soon to be ministers on the table are their charges and perhaps their priorities that have already been put inside yellow